It's your Society Girl, Jamie. Rosamond Gifford is open, and what better way to enjoy a warm, sunny day but to explore a zoo? Come along with me. Bright-colored feather friends hover overhead, a beautiful display. Perky furry creatures, just as curious as the young audience walking by. Just a bit of silliness from a well-dressed penguin and a very excited society girl. I hope to take a sneak peek of the darling new addition to the zoo, a very big baby boy elephant born May 12th. No luck, but I hope to visit again soon. Taking a Sunday stroll through the CNY Regional Flea Market is one of my favorite things to do. I am always on the hunt for unique vintage finds. After picking up a few treasures, I headed to downtown to Funk N Waffles for some brunch, bubbles, and jazz. One of my favorite dishes in Syracuse, Funk N Waffles, chicken and waffles, with a mouth-watering, spicy maple syrup. I also gave the very tasty Cuban Sandwich a try. What is a brunch without a mimosa? My Sunday afternoon was complete with a perfect jazz jam session. Talented musicians of all ages come together in perfect harmony. If you like what you see and would like more information, check the description box below. And as always, stay fabulous, darling. Bye-bye. Hello, darlings. It's your Society Girl, Jamie.